Hi, this is Ryan with NinjaTrader. In this video, we're going to cover why mobile access matters for prop traders and how it can help you stay on top of your account no matter where you are. Here's the quick answer. We live in a mobile world, and the markets don't wait for anyone. Neither do risk limits. And if you're trading a funded account, being able to monitor positions and act quickly from anywhere can help you stay within your rules and respond to market movements as they happen. As for the long answer, futures markets move fast and they don't revolve around your desk. Relying only on a desktop can leave gaps in your awareness, especially during key moments. A mobile trading platform helps fill those gaps, giving you more flexibility without giving up control. Prop trading, where you trade with firm-provided capital under defined rules, has grown rapidly in the last few years. As more traders move into funded accounts, having access across devices is becoming part of the standard toolkit. When you're trading a funded account, there are rules you need to follow at all times. Daily loss caps, profit targets, defined boundaries. Missing something because you stepped away from your desk isn't a position you want to be in. Mobile access means you can access your positions, see where you stand, and stay aware of your account throughout the day, not just when you happen to be sitting in front of a screen. That kind of visibility makes it easier to stay disciplined and avoid getting caught off guard. Most traders aren't sitting at a desk all day. Work, family, errands, life doesn't pause for market hours. And futures markets run nearly around the clock, so market movements don't always happen at a convenient time. A mobile app keeps you connected in between everything else, whether that's a quick check during a break or adjusting a position on the go. The goal is for trading to fit into your life, not compete with it. Risk management is a constant in prop trading. A daily loss cap, which is the maximum you can lose in a session before restrictions apply, isn't something you can afford to ignore, even briefly. Keeping an eye on your P&L, drawdown, and progress towards profit targets helps you make smarter decisions throughout the day. And when markets shift quickly around news or during high-volume sessions, being unreachable can turn a small move into a bigger problem. Mobile gives you a way to step in when it matters. Awareness is one of the most critical parts of risk management, and that's exactly what mobile access provides. Some of the most active periods in the futures markets, like the open from 9:30 to 11 a.m. Eastern Time, can bring sharp moves. You don't need to be fully set up at a desk to stay involved. Even a quick check-in can help you spot changes or manage an open trade. Today's mobile platforms support fast execution and a range of order types, so when timing matters, you can act. That said, not all mobile trading apps are built with prop traders in mind. The best ones make it easy to stay informed without adding complexity. You want responsive charts with the indicators you actually use. Quick access to account data like P&L, drawdown, and margin is especially critical for funded traders who need to stay within firm rules. And if you're managing multiple accounts, having everything in one place keeps your workflow clean. The goal is consistency. Your tool should feel familiar no matter where you log in. NinjaTrader Prop is built to work across mobile, web, and desktop, so you're not locked into one device. Your layouts and settings sync across platforms, meaning you don't have to rebuild your setup every time you switch from desktop to mobile. TradingView Power Charting is also available across all platforms, giving you a consistent experience wherever you trade. That familiarity makes it easier to stay focused and execute your strategy. Prop trading is about consistency, following rules, managing risk, and staying aware of your positions. Mobile supports all three by keeping you connected even when you're away from your main setup. The ability to check in, adjust, and act quickly can be the difference between staying on plan and getting completely caught off guard. The markets are always moving, and with mobile trading, you can too.